Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Polkadot continues to move in this overall corrective pattern here, potentially already in the wave 5, but it is seriously getting challenged, this scenario. So let's talk about the two scenarios we're dealing with here. They are both bullish, however, but it's worth to know about the relevant support levels, relevant Fibonacci levels, and the relevant wave counts, and which levels now need to hold in order to stay within the yellow scenario, which is more directly bullish and more clearly bullish, and to avoid to fall back into the white scenario, in which we can see a lower or a deeper B wave pullback. Okay, so first of all, from this October low, I can really only see 3 waves up. So in the yellow count, that would be within a diagonal pattern, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and the wave 5 could be unfolding. In a diagonal pattern, we're dealing with an ABC structure to the upside in the subwaves, which means the wave 1 is an ABC, the wave 3, and the wave 5, and the waves 2 and 4 are anyway corrective ABC structures. That means I have to label wave 5 as ABC, and that's also really the only thing that makes sense here. Because, as you can see, this is a 3-wave move, so it would have to be an A wave to the upside, B wave pullback now, and the C wave could then, move higher. Surely, I mean, it could, there are always other ways of labeling it, but, that for me kind of makes sense, even though I have to say this yellow scenario in which we're already in the wave 5 is seriously getting challenged. Seriously getting challenged because this B wave could, as soon as the B wave goes below the low of the wave 4, it's basically invalidated. I mean, not strictly, because B waves can overshoot, but I mean, it's going to be a strong sign that the wave C to the downside is unfolding. Okay, so ideally, the price remembers that what it means to do a reversal in this region. Now, that will to a degree depend on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin also has reached an ideal downside target. So maybe Bitcoin will turn around. That could give DOT a boost as well, but we'll see. I mean, for now we see weakness, no confirmation that a low has been established. And a break below that was the water bottle, no panic. A break below that 650 level there, here, that previous low, would, I think, already start to shift probabilities towards the white scenario. Okay, how would that work out? Well, in the white scenario, the price topped in an A, B, C structure. Okay, so we have an ABC in a larger A wave. The pullback is a B wave, A, B, and we could now come down in wave C and would then turn around somewhere in this region. So I still would like to see higher prices overall, but the question is, do we do it from here, from the orange support area? And there are really only 2 main Fibonacci support levels left. $6.81 and $6.28, with the 650 level as structural support and invalidation point for the current microstructure. Below 628, it's the yellow box, which is then relevant here for the B wave pullback. And we have support at 584, 519, and 439. Anything below $4.39 would indicate that the bears are back. Okay, the bears are likely going to come back. New bear market lows. A sustained break below the 78.6 retracement level would suggest that. But for now, if you zoom out, you see 3 waves up. So far, a corrective pullback. And this is now very, very important what's happening here. I think the levels should be clear. If a reversal happens from here, I'd like to see the price get to $10.21, $10.83, or $11.78. next in wave C of 5. But again, it's all about, okay, do we get one more high from here? Then it's a 5-wave move up, and it would give us a very clear 5-wave pattern. Then this would be a wave 1, and we're looking for a wave 2 pullback. Okay, ready for a 3rd wave to the upside afterwards. But yeah, if the price pulls back now, then we're dealing likely with a larger ABC structure, which is also bullish short term, but it will be less clearly bullish, and it will open the door to a lot of other weird scenarios that, a lot of uncertainty basically going forward. So yeah, not much more to update. Also only really limited updates compared to what I already said in the last video. Nothing has been broken. Okay, the price is still holding support, but obviously it's getting challenged now, the yellow scenario. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.